All right, thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Here are some of the moments as tutagenda kwerabira ezibadde mu kalulu oba mu kunoonya akalulu kano ketwalonze just gye buyiseeko. I know most of you are watching this video naye nga temuli mu ggwanga Uganda olw'ensonga nti abali mu Uganda right now they cannot access internet. Now njagala nkuyiseko in some of the situations Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine zayiseemu wabadde nga anoonya akalulu akamufuusizza president w'eggwanga Uganda. Njagala owatching video eno ate tukomewo tovaawo. Wano eno yali ali mu region eya Teso sub-region. Teso sub-region eno gwe atulaba yewava omukyala Anita Mo evaayo vice president w'eggwanga Jessica Alupo ne ba ministers abawerako. So Bobi Wine okubanga agenze mu region yaabwe n'afuna huge numbers nga zimugoberera, it was like something that was ashaming them. So okola kyonna kye bali balina okukola okumulemesa, it was inevitable. So njagala nkulage olugendo lwe ng'agenda ekapela byo ewantu gye twali tutasuubira nti Bobi Wine ayinayo a very very huge and mass support. Naye njagala nkulage the brutality gye yayisibwamu by the security forces, embeera gye baamuyisaamu, engeri gye baakubamu abawagizi be n'engeri gye baamutangirangamu okutuuka ku bantu. Buli we yagezaako yingira mu kibuga Kampala, he was always blocked by the security forces. Now I want you to watch this incident. Oba oli awo gwe wena alowooza nti ebintu bya musaago onaasobola okumanya exactly who we are dealing with. Katukomewo.
No, where's our team? They're coming. No, let them come first. Let them come first. Let's run, wait. You cannot be blocking us. You are the one who blocked the road. Are you crazy? Block the road because you can. Let the other one come. Let our team come.
Ekibuga lengera abantu, ekibuga tekirimu bantu nti bali bangi, ti business weziri enguudo nkalu n'ekyo bakikwatanga kakwate nti balina omubulookinga.
Let our team come here. This is Qatar. No. I'm talking about the sound.
Kwegamba kyo bakikwatanga kikwate nti talina kuyita mu tawuni, babadde bagimusibye kyokka nga wali ekkubeku erigende Kaparamadol. Bino byokka bye bibanyumiza. Abantu bwe bamugaana otuukamu abawagizi be babadde bamuyisizza mu mabega agaanye n'ayingira ekibuga. N'ekibuga kye batemuli n'abantu nti bali awo bangi nnyo, ti bizinesi zigenda kukyankalana, naye olw'okuba ku oda ze babiriko ez'aba Jessica Alipo ba RDC ne baani bamukugira okuyingira ekibuga n'okukiyitamu. Babagamba president agamba mute ttiimu yange ngende. kaba bakuba emiggo anti-president bamuganye oyingira ayingidde ate muzze kaba bakuba emiggo mujja giwulira beeteeseteese abaana amagye goolaba galina kukuuma bisolo omulimu gwabwe gwa kukuuma bisolo magye ga bisolo ago naye ku bantu bagaleeta olaba baleetaga amakomera President abagambye mumpe ttiimu yange gye musibidde emabega nve wano neeyongereyo omumpa ttiimu yange gye musibidde emabega nve wano neeyongereyo President agamba sivaawo nga sawundi yaffe tennajja oba olirwedde okola n'ekyagulanyi olina okugumira bino ono omu ku lwa security ye ezo kibooko eziyuziza essaati saako n'amabwa g'olaba eryo bbwa ebadde waya gy'olaba tomu emutuusiddwako essaati eyulise eyo emu ku security y'omu ku bakuuma president bwetyo bw'alabise wakati mu kibooko ezimutuusiddwako wabadde akola emirimu gw'okukuuma mukama we ya bw'atyo mukanange eryo bbwa essaati eyulise gy'olengera bbwa tomu erimutuusiddwako kwegamba olina okujja ng'okimanyi era ng'oli mumalirivu naye dde akutuusiddwako obuvune obwo akyagenda mu maaso n'okukola emirimu gya mukama we akyagenda mu maaso n'okukuuma mukama we ono no tomu y'omu ku security guard ba president omusirifu ennyo atayomba atalwana atalina gwayinza kuba atasobola kasuka jjinja y'omu kuba security abakyasinze empisa n'osobola okwebuuza ekireetedde omusirikale okumutuusa ku buvune obwenkanidde wano weebuti nekikulema okutegeera nekikulema ebyaddala okutegeera okufuna mu ttoomu ekigambo naffe abakola naye okufuna ekigambo mu ttoomu kibeera kizibu nnyo 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 naye bw'atyo bw'atuusiddwako obuvune
I am a presidential candidate and I'm supposed to be campaigning here in Katakwi. But the police has arrested my sound system. Don't move on it, man. The police has arrested my sound system. They don't want me to campaign here. And yet the Electoral Commission knows that I'm supposed to be campaigning here. We are not sitting here until they give us our sound system. I am a candidate. I'm supposed to be campaigning here, and I am not going away. I am not going away until I talk to the people of Katakwi because it is my right. Yes. Police must allow my sound system to come here. here now. Police must allow my sound system to come in.
Yiyo esembede naye bakyaji blockinga.
And the law allows me to campaign here. I am not going away until I talk to the people.
Maze ne bagita babadde bagikutta maze kulemerako n'abagamba njagala sawundi yange kati bagireese.
No, back here. Neda. No, officer. I am supposed to talk to the people of Katakwi. It is my law. I am a presidential candidate. Don't touch my car. Apparently you are breaking the law. I am a candidate. Look what the police is doing now. Look what the soldiers are doing now. I am a candidate and I am supposed to campaign here. So the people of Katakwi, now you see the impunity. Now you see what the seven is scared about. Now you understand. I want you to know that Uganda can be better. Don't move the sound. Now you see the injustice. Leave our sound alone. Stop the music. That was the music. I want to talk to the people of Qatar. Look at what the police is doing. Look at the police. Why are you paper spraying our car? Why are you doing all that injustice? Why are you behaving in a criminal manner? I don't see what the police is doing. Injustice that is going on. The Electoral Commission knows I'm supposed to campaign in Katakwi, but now they are paper spraying our people. I find that what you are doing is illegal. I find that what you are doing is wrong. I'm a presidential candidate and I'm entitled to talk to the people of Katakwi. I am supposed to talk to the people of Katakwi. I find that what you are doing is wrong. I find that what you are doing is wrong. I find that you are beating innocent people.
Aliko driver w'emmotoka amukubye.
What you're doing is wrong. I am a presidential candidate. The people of Katakwi, now you see. Now you know why we want to change this. Look at the police how they are behaving. Look at the soldiers. Why is the police?
Emmotoka bagimenye system. Letaka mukalaka.
Well, you have broken that, but you cannot break
But you would have given him 5 minutes.
What you're doing is illegal. What you're doing is unacceptable.
You would have given him 105 minutes. But you are
We are legally nominated and we're supposed to campaign in Katakwi. What you are doing is wrong. What you are doing is against the law. And you should be ashamed of yourself. The people of Katakwi now know the truth. They know that this is injustice. Look at these officers. Look at what the people are doing.
Abasirikale basazeewo okuba bantu ngumi.
See what the police is doing. Shame on you. Shame on you, Afande. Shame on you. Look what you're doing to our uniform. Look what you're doing to the Uganda police force. Shame on you. How can you beat people? How can you beat innocent citizens? You know that I'm not breaking the law. Why don't you arrest me then? Why don't you arrest me if I'm not breaking the law? I am a citizen of Uganda. If I am breaking the law, you arrest me then. If I am here illegally, arrest me. If I am campaigning against the law, arrest me, please. Arrest me now. Arrest me now. I am a presidential candidate. And the Electoral Commission knows that I'm campaigning here in Katakwi. Shame on you. Shame on all of you. But we are going to change this. You are also a slave. We are going to liberate Uganda and we are going to liberate you too. Look what the police is doing. Keep this on your camera. Cover it on your camera. Shame on them. People power! Our power! We shall win, we shall overcome this. You should be ashamed of yourself. I am supposed to be campaigning here. Well, now that the people see, you're even shy because what you're doing is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong, my brother. You are doing the wrong thing. You are doing the wrong thing. This is wrong that you're doing. It is illegal. You have no power to limit my time here. I can talk to the people of Katakwi the whole day if I want. I can be here the whole day if I want. Because the Electoral Commission knows that I'm supposed to be here. No. Can you imagine I'm fighting with a police officer? Okay, Afande, what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What crime have I committed? I am supposed to be in Katakwi. You have closed all the roads. You are on record. You are being recorded, my brother. You are being. If I am wrong, you are a police officer. You are unable to stop the law. Why am I not under arrest? Because you know it is impunity. Because you know you're breaking the law. You see, but I understand. Me, I don't hate you. I am not angry. I know because you don't believe what you're saying. You are on legal orders. This is order from above. You don't hate our officer. He's a good man. He's enforcing bad orders.
naye singa bamulese n'ayogera eddakiika 5 ku bantu bano n'agenda emmotoka bakubye ow'emmotoka ey'emizindaalo ne basendabiramu ne bamupepa sprayinga ebyuma ne babikuulakuulamu kyokka oyo asinga okuyomba si DPC weeno si osiweeno oyo atugoberera we lwetudda wa jaati naye ayomba ng'amanyenye ebyeno ba osi beeno ba DPC beeno baate babadde kaamu nnyo ku bantu baabwe.
You cover your face because you know what you're doing is wrong. Look at that. Uganda will be free one day. We shall be free by any means.
bano bebeeno bo babadde Samu Awukulu naye oli atugoberera alina oda z'abalala abadde mukambwe
free. One day we shall be free.
All right, gwe atulaba right now. That was Bobi Wine mu biseera by'okunoonya akalulu last year. Awo yali ali mu district ye Katakwi. You can see how the deployment was so heavy, but of course, despite the deployment and the intimidation, Ugandans in Katakwi managed to come and see, of course, their leader. So, njagala kulaga, lwaki nkulaga ebintu bino gwandaba, njagala otegere nti yes, edda bagamba nti Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine tumumanyi Kampala woka woka. but of course that shows he was in Katakwi. Omuntu yenna asobola ofuluma mu nnyumba ye nga waliyo tear gas, najja ku streets, najja okulaga in support of Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, Bobi Wine, kiba kitegeeza omuntu oyo aba amaliridde not only to come. The fact that nti azze nga akimanyi bagenda bakuba tear gas n'emiggo kiba kitegeeza n'akalulu aba amaliridde nti agenda kawa Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, Bobi Wine. Now people are really ready and eager okulaba nti Uganda has another president. After being ruled for over 40 years, Ugandans are saying no, enough is enough. Twetaaga change. Tambuza video.